Hey, y'all. Welcome to the channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to Birthing Bosses with Felicia. I am Boss Lady Fee. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Happy Tuesday to you, each and every one. I am having a great day, guys. Wanted to show you some things that I got from Dollar Tree, which are nothing new to the YouTube community, guys. But I want y'all to know that everything that y'all get is always last coming to North Carolina. Well, coming to my neck of North Carolina anyway. So these cups just came into my local store. I go in this store almost every day. Basically, you might as well say every day. And I have not seen these cups, but when I went in there today, they were in there. And when I went, this is all that was in here. Let me show y'all the ones that I got. And of course, I cleared the shelves. I was like, I'm not going to get those cups. I've been seeing them on everybody's videos, and I've been sending them in everybody's baskets. So I was like, I'm not going to get those cups. But when I got there, I was like, oh my God, they are so tall and big. You can't really tell from videos that I've seen them in that they're this big. So I was like, let me go and scoop up a couple of those too and just put them in my stockpile, even if I don't use them for Mother's Day. But I already know I'm going to use them for Mother's Day. But I want to show you something that I want to pair it with. Now, y'all know that follow me know that I used to do a lot of Dollar Tree videos and Dollar Tree baskets just to show you guys what you can do from Dollar Tree. But because I shop so cheaply at other stores, I don't get a chance to do Dollar Tree videos that often. So I wanted to actually do one today. So with that being said, I bought some items that y'all know I normally would not buy, okay? And these baskets for number one, okay? Because I got tons and tons and tons of baskets. So I normally would have not bought these baskets, guys, but I bought them because of the color and because of these cups. And so I'm going to do like an orange basket. And these body washes, definitely wouldn't have gotten these. But it all goes with the color scheme of what I'm working with. And I'm going to pair some Dollar Tree items with some Pop Shelf items. I actually had a lot of orange peaches color items, but I've used the majority of them in my baskets, you guys. But I wanted to show you the things that I have left that I'm going to kind of pair it with in a basket. And I think I'm going to put some chocolates in there. I'm not sure. And here I have some peach color calming bath salts. All right, so we will be back on a video showing you guys that. But I just wanted to show you the body wash, which smells absolutely amazing. And let's see what kind it is. It is pink grapefruit and ginger, and it smells so good. I love the smell of it. So I'm gonna pair it with the items that I already have. And then I got the blue ones. I actually gave my daughter one of the white ones because when Gavin seen them, he was like, my mommy would love to have one of those. Y'all, he is so smart. Gavin is 3 years old. He'll be 4 in May. In just a little while, he'll be 4 years old. So I know some of you new to my channel, but Gavin has been around ever since I've had YouTube, okay? So he's going right on with the channel, but I wanted to let y'all know he is just too smart. So I started looking around at some different blue things, y'all. When I tell y'all I'm so ready to get rid of all of those glass, y'all, these are not even the half of the glass items I got. Tons of them are still in boxes. And I'm like, I want to get rid of these vases. I'm sticking them in everything I can stick them in because I need my shelf space and I need this glass gone. I absolutely hate glass items. I don't even know why I bought all of that stuff. I know why I bought it all because it was 90% off and some of it was pennies. I bought those tall pink vases and those tall blue ones and these blue ones here last year after Easter. I was about to say Valentine's. Y'all know everything I say Valentine's. So I bought those after Valentine's, guys. But yeah, this is what we're getting ready to do. So I'm getting ready to pop these together, guys. Make some orange color baskets with different orange items. And y'all already know it's going to come out really, really cute. But I wanted to show you all how you can pull it off with Dollar Tree items, even if you don't have these weighted masks from Pop Shelf or the bath salts. They have bath salts in Dollar Tree as well. But I wanted to show you guys how you can make a really, really pretty basket from all Dollar Tree items. And although these items are not all Dollar Tree, the two items that I'm adding, the chocolates and the mask, they have very similar items at Dollar Tree. But I just wanted to show you guys and tell you to be on the lookout. In my stores anyway, they are constantly putting out new stuff relating to Mother's Day. So make sure you're taking a visit at least once or twice a week. And if you are a person that have the money and you have the clientele, these holidays are great times to stock up on items. You can go ahead and start stocking up on items for Valentine's Day next year or for Christmas this year, because when the holiday come out, the next holiday come out, those particular items more than likely will not still be in the stores, okay? So keep that in mind. If you want to pick up some pink cups and set them to the side for Valentine's Day, that's how you build up your stockpile and your inventory, so that at any given time, if you need to spit out 20 baskets just alike for a church or some type of organization, you got your items ready to go. They on your shelf. All you got to do is pull, and all you got to do is design. All right. So I hope this video has been beneficial. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell so that each and every time I upload a video, bam, you will be the first to be notified. Get your money, honey, and fill your bag. To the next video. Bye, y'all. Don't forget, I will be in South Carolina, April the 27th, this Saturday. Email me at FeliciaWinstead.com if you would like to come. I will be in Loris, South Carolina, and then I will also be in Marion, okay? And Loris, I may not be pronouncing it the way y'all do in South Carolina, but I know exactly what I'm saying. It's Loris, okay? Because a couple of people had commented that I meant something, but I said what I meant. I just probably didn't pronounce it the way. Okay, I'm a country girl from North Carolina, okay? And it's just how I talk. But Loris, Loris, which is all that information is on the flyer. So regardless how I'm pronouncing it, the information is on the flyer. I will be there Saturday, and then Saturday and Sunday evening, my son has to preach, and I would love for you guys to come and meet me in Marion. I believe it's 600 Bluff Street. That flyer as well is on my community post. So make sure you take a look. If you have any questions or concerns, my email is FeliciaWinstead60@gmail.com. Again, Felicia Winstead altogether 60@gmail.com. All right. See you on the next video, guys.